What's going on, YouTube? We Hustle Daily, man. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming back to y'all with another auction video, man. Today we about to pick up the Maxima. We paid for the Maxima. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I was kind of feeling like I paid a little bit too much with the 231,000 miles. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. But we're about to go ahead and see what this Maxima is driving like, man. We already paid for it. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I'll catch y'all when I get in this bad boy. All right, guys, let's go ahead and crank it up. 230,000. Oh, snap, come on. All right, there we go. Just had to give it a little more oomph. Let's go ahead and see how this bad boy's driving, guys. A little dirty, we gotta clean it up, man. Matter of fact, y'all who haven't seen the last video, man, y'all don't even know what I bid it on. So let me go ahead and show y'all what this looked like. It's a 2008 with 231. I know it's a lot of miles, guys. I know, but 1,400 bucks. Guy told me he sold one for like what'd he say, 2,200, and it had 220 on it. So this only 10,000 more miles. Looks pretty good, man. It got a dent here, man, but let's see how this bad boy drive. Let's see, man, what we got. We're gonna go ahead and go to the gate and pull up out of here. Need a little gas here. Let's see what we got. All right. And like I said, guys, in that last video, man, I'm kind of mad I missed out on that GMC, man. I kind of wanted that car. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. For 900 bucks, I just messed up. See how we get out of here, guys. Go ahead and go this way. Yeah, I think these guys are, I don't know what they're doing. All right, let's go ahead and give them our paperwork so we can get up out of here. As we're getting up out of here, man, the dang on seat doesn't go back, man. The seat goes back, but not the this part here. So let's go ahead and see what we got, guys. Pull up out of here. See what we got. We don't got no tag on this guy though. Now these are CVT transmissions, guys, so they don't shift. They just, you know, glide basically, man. So we're pulling out of here again. Got some traffic. Let's go ahead and do our thing right here. Feels all right so far. Let's go ahead and do this U-turn before these cars come. We gotta go put our dealer plate on here. Oh man, there go the police. So let's go ahead and put our dealer plate on here. Hopefully it doesn't pull us over, guys. Let's see what we got. He's not messing with us. Hopefully he don't. So we're gonna go ahead and make a left here. He wasn't even paying attention, so that's pretty good. But so far so good, guys. So about to pull up to a Malibu, put our tag on, and get on the road. All right, guys, we're about to go ahead and pull off, man. And I just noticed something that kind of teased me off, man. When I first got in this car, it was the wheel locks for the new wheels, man, and now they're gone. You know what I mean? I was gonna take the front tires, since this is front wheel drive, use the wheel locks and put them on, you know, to take the back tires, I'm sorry, and put them on the front. But I can't even do it because somebody took the damn the lug. Like come on, guys, like, man, you dealers, man, y'all be doing some wild stuff, bro. Like, why would you take that, bro? Like, was sitting right there. Like, come on. That junk is annoying, man. But anyway, man, let's go ahead and get on the road. It only looked like that tire, like, it's really bad anyway. So let's go ahead and get it on the road, guys. I just had to say that, man, because, man, they be doing some wild stuff, man. But let's go ahead and get some gas, guys, and let's go ahead and get on the road. All right, guys, we're pulling off. Let's see, the transmission doesn't shift, it just glides. Got the guy on the motorcycle here. See what we riding like, guys. Go ahead and get in front of him. Boy, this boy got some oomph to it. So far so good. Don't really hear any suspension noise or anything like that. It's actually driving pretty good for 231,000 miles, guys. You guys let me know what you guys think. I always value you guys' opinions, you know what I mean? So, you know, I appreciate every single one of y'all who comment, man, and let me know what you guys think. And, you know, I'm gonna try to give y'all the best knowledge as I can. Like I said, I got that video coming of how to properly inspect an auto auction car coming very soon. So again, man, I just really appreciate you guys, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and, should I get on the E-way? What time is it? Let me see which way I'm about to go. All right, guys, we're on the E-way, man. So far, so good. Have really no complaints about this bad boy, man. This bad boy is running very, very good. We're at about 75 right now. Speed up just a little bit. I'm telling you guys, this boy got a little speed to it, man. That's 80 right there. So, yeah, man, so far, so good. I'll see you guys when I get to the house. I'm gonna do a walk around of it, get it cleaned up, and get this bad boy posted, guys. So I'll see you guys when I get to the house. All right, guys, we are back at the crib, man. I'm about to go ahead and get this guy washed up and posted all in the same day. This little dent right here, it's not that bad, but you know, it is there. So I like the wheels on here though. These are not the wheels that come on the car, so I do like that. A little scraped up there, paint fading there. But man, I rode this boy, and this boy drives good, guys. I mean, you guys let me know what you think. 1425, we got some damage here. 231,000 miles, man. I'm about to go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and use this awesome right here. I already started spraying this one, so we're gonna go ahead and spray these, man. Get all of these sprayed. I mean, but you guys let me know what you guys think, man. I mean, 1425, you know what I'm saying? But it's an 08, you know what I mean? It got a lot of miles on it though. It do have a lot of miles on it. The paint ain't perfect, you know what I mean? But I you know, I value you guys' opinions and let you, you know, I want to know what you guys think, you know what I mean? So this one is actually not that bad, man, but we're gonna go ahead and spray it anyway. My boy used the Ajax and the degreaser, but I don't got none of that right now. So let's go ahead and look on the inside real quick. This is my stuff, but I'm about to go ahead and get everything cleaned out, vacuumed, get these get this stuff off the window and everything. Yeah, guys, so we got a lot of little cleaning up to do. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get these numbers off. I'm just spraying it with some awesome again. Spraying it, especially this paper. So what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna get you a scraper. Link in the description below. This is what I use, just a razor. And you just wanna, now this scraper may be pretty dull, but you get the point, it's coming off. Just gotta scrape pretty hard. All right, guys, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, man, so I can go ahead and knock these out. But link in the description, make sure you get you one of these. I'll be back in a minute. All right, what's going on, guys? We got it all cleaned up. Show you guys what it's looking like right here. That boy's shining a little bit. That boy's shining. I hit the headlights as well. So make sure you notice that. Hit it with the sandbar, and then spray the clear coat. Cleaned the wheels. Wheels look good. This boy looking good. I'll show y'all what it's looking like on the inside now. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. I actually got to see if those keyless entry buttons work. Show y'all the back. Show y'all my detailing skills, guys. I think I did a pretty good job on this one. Y'all seen what it looked like. Let's go ahead and test this. Let's go ahead and test this key fob out. See if this works. It does. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, we got it all cleaned up. We gotta go ahead and get them posted. Somebody was supposed to be coming to see the Acura today. But that's about it. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let me know what you guys think about the Maxima Pay 1425. As always, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. All right, guys, we just sold the Acura. Know you guys probably gonna be mad, but I did sell it for the $2 grand. Went ahead and got rid of it. I had 2125 in it, but it's all good. Lost 125 bucks, but we did make it up on the previous deals. But it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think. If you think I sold it for too cheap, or you think I paid too much. I know a lot of you guys were saying that you thought I paid a good price, but I did sell it for the $2 grand. I lost $125. But I value you guys' comments. Let me know what you think. You know, post in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Keep hustling. Peace.